The first step is to set up a WordPress environment and run our website on our local PC. For this goal, we will be using a great free tool, XAMPP. This local server lets you create a website locally and do with them what you want. There are lots of cool videos on YouTube about XAMPP installation and settings, but not much info about how to set up a domain locally. So let me show you how to do that quickly. According to our goal, we need a domain for our website. Let's create a folder inside our XAMPP server and name it, for example, motorbike.local. To run this domain in the browser, we have to make two records on our PC, if we are using Windows. Here is a gist where you can copy some code and see the file paths. Simply copy the path and you will be directed to the proper folder. Now make changes according to your new domain. Finally, let's make some changes in our Apache server to finish settings. As you can see now, the browser recognized our local domain and we are ready to make the next step. According to the second step, we should make our website alive. Now, when our server is working and we have a local domain, we can install WordPress. For this, we should download WordPress from the official website wordpress.org. Extract files to our local domain folder. And create a database. The other steps we can do via browser. We should fill in the database name and user credentials here. Now we can add some test data to run our website. Let's log in to the admin panel. The next tutorial will be about the admin menu. I'll show you how to create a page in the admin area and display a data there. Please subscribe and let me know if you have any questions. Bye!